Hey everyone, and welcome back to Teach Grow Together. I'm so happy you're here. There's nothing quite like the feeling of growing something yourself, that moment when you get to harvest something you've nurtured from a tiny seed. It's just pure magic. And that's why today we're diving into the top 5 crops for beginners. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a sunny windowsill, these plants are going to thrive and bring you so much joy. We've picked these because they're easy to grow, work in various climates, and don't need a ton of care. They're practically foolproof, so let's grab our gardening gloves and get started. First up, we have the beloved tomato. I mean, who doesn't love a juicy, homegrown tomato? It's amazing how much flavor they have compared to store-bought ones. Tomatoes are surprisingly easy to grow. They love sunshine, at least 6 hours a day, and well-drained soil. I like to start my tomato plants from seedlings. You can find them at your local nursery or even some grocery stores. Just pop them in the ground, water them regularly and watch them grow. You'll want to stake them up as they get taller to support their weight, and before you know it, you'll be swimming in fresh tomatoes ready for salads, sauces and sandwiches. My favorite thing to do with fresh tomatoes, a simple caprese salad with fresh mozzarella, basil and a drizzle of olive oil. It just screams summer. Next up, we have lettuce, the queen of salads. Lettuce is a cool season crop, which means it thrives in cooler temperatures. It's perfect for spring and fall gardens, but can also be grown in the summer in shadier spots. You can find lettuce starts at your local nursery, or you can direct sow the seeds into your garden. Lettuce prefers well-drained soil and about 4 hours of sunlight per day. One of the best things about lettuce is that it grows so quickly. You can start harvesting leaves in as little as a month. And the more you harvest, the more it grows. Talk about a rewarding plant. I love adding fresh lettuce to salads, sandwiches, and even smoothies. It adds a refreshing crunch and a boost of nutrients. Now, if you're looking for a crop that grows super fast, radishes are your new best friend. Seriously, these little guys can mature in as little as 3 weeks. Radishes are another cool season crop that prefers well-drained soil and partial shade. You can sow the seeds directly into the ground and thin them out as they sprout. Don't be afraid to experiment with different varieties of radishes too. There are so many colors and flavors to try, from classic red to watermelon radishes with their beautiful pink interiors. I love adding thinly sliced radishes to salads for a peppery bite. They also add a beautiful pop of color to any dish. Moving on to zucchini, a summer squash that's known for its abundant yield. You plant one zucchini plant and you'll be swimming in zucchinis all summer long. Zucchini loves warm weather and plenty of sunshine. Give it well-drained soil and regular watering, and it will reward you with loads of delicious squash. Pick the zucchinis when they're about 6 to 8 inches long for the best flavor and texture. And don't forget to check your plants regularly because they grow fast. There are endless possibilities when it comes to cooking with zucchini. You can grill it, saute it, spiralize it into noodles, bake it into bread. The list goes on. Last but not least, let's talk about herbs. Herbs are a must-have for any garden, no matter how big or small. They're incredibly easy to grow and add so much fresh flavor to your dishes. Some of my favorite herbs to grow are basil, parsley and mint. They all thrive in well-drained soil and prefer at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. You can grow herbs from seeds or starts, depending on your preference. I love having fresh herbs on hand to elevate my cooking. Basil is perfect for pasta sauces and pizzas. Parsley brightens up any dish. And mint adds a refreshing touch to drinks and desserts. Plus, there's just something so satisfying about snipping fresh herbs from your own garden and adding them straight to your plate. It's like having a little piece of culinary magic right at your fingertips. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 easy crops for beginners. I hope this inspires you to get out there and get your hands dirty. Remember, gardening is all about experimenting, learning and having fun. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. From all of us here at Teach Grow Together, happy gardening.